Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Madhulika, for joining in. Today, what we are going to understand is कि हमारे को RAS system, our reticular activation system, activating system, जो brain के अंदर होता है हमारा, जो एक filter के जैसे काम करता है to notice opportunities that align with our goals. So today we are going to unleash the power of our RAS, that is reticular activating system. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. Unleash the power of the reticular activating system to achieve your goals. What is the power that a Peter Gerber or a Michael Laden taps into? What is this seemingly extrasensory perception that they have to notice anything and everything that relates to their goals and can be used to achieve their heart's desire? I believe that in each case, these individuals have learned to use a mechanism in their brains known as the reticular activating system. It sounds complex, and undoubtedly the actual process is, but the function of your RAS is simple and profound. It determines what you will notice and what you will pay attention to. It is the screening device of your mind. Remember that your conscious mind can focus only on a limited number of elements at any one time. So your brain expands a lot of effort deciding what not to pay attention to. There are countless stimuli bombarding you right now, but your brain deletes most of it and focuses on what you believe is important. Its mechanism for achieving this is the RAS. Thus, your RAS is directly responsible for how much of reality you consciously experience. So, we understand this RAS, right? कि ये क्या करता है, ये समझ में आया ना मधुलिका?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है. Let me offer
I
you.
think मेरा
हाँ.
I think यही weak है. That is why I'm stuck.
नहीं, most of us do not tap into that. Wherein, चलो अच्छी बात है ना, we are reading this together and we will have a bigger vision. And we will have this activated. Let's work on it as well, right? कभी कभी लाइफ एक्चुअली में स्टक भी हो जाती है, wherein ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आइडियाज आने बंद हो जाते हैं. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू फील कि कुछ तो ना अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख रही है, ना ही कोई आइडियाज जनरेट हो रहे हैं. And I think in those times, this needs to be, in fact, at all times, RAS should be activated so that we achieve our results faster as well. Let me offer you an example. Have you ever bought a new outfit or car and then suddenly noticed it everywhere you looked? Why was that? Oh, actually, this is activated in us then. Didn't they exist before? Yes, of course they did. But you are noticing them now because your purchase of this item was a clear demonstration to your RAS that anything related to this object is now significant and needs to be noted. You have an immediate and heightened awareness of something that actually has always been around you. I still remember जब हमने इनोवा क्रिस्टा ली थी. At that time, very few people had it. मतलब हमारे जो एरिया है तिलक नगर में किसी के पास नहीं थी. And all of a sudden when we bought it, and I was like, this is such a good car, because uska jo interior tha, really loved it. And ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जब इसके बारे में बात चल रही थी, माय हस्बैंड गॉट मी टेस्ट ड्राइव वगैरह के लिए हम गए, दिस एंड दैट. तो क्योंकि दिमाग में ये था कि हाँ यार सुंदर कार है, दिस एंड दैट, एंड आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग कि कार प्रोबब्ली सेम क्रिस्टास, सेम कलर वाज देयर ऑन रोड्स. एंड आई वाज लाइक, अरे ये तो है कार सड़क पे है. एंड माय हस्बैंड वाज टेलिंग मी, दिस इज वेरी फ्यू पीपल हैव गॉट दिस कार एंड तिलक नगर में अभी किसी के पास नहीं है, सो वी आर बाइंग. तो आई वाज लाइक, हाँ ये देखो ये तो है सड़क पे है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओह शिट, ये तो मेरे को दिखती जा रही है. एंड देन उसके बाद फिर वी वर परचेजिंग सियास, एंड सियास भी मेरे को पहले कभी भी नहीं नोटिस हुई, कभी भी नहीं दिखी. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग व्हाइट सियास, व्हाइट सियास, व्हाइट सियास. मुझे कि यार ये क्या हो जाता है, जो लेने चलो वो लगता है सारी दुनिया के पास ही वही कार है. व्हाई इज दैट? उस सियारा से सॉरी क्रिस्टा से पहले वी हैड नॉर्मल वाली इनोवा, एंड दैट एट दैट टाइम वो भी नहीं दिखती थी. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन मेरे को सारी टैक्सीज दिखनी शुरू हो गई, इनोवा टैक्सी. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मेरे को इस टैक्सी में नहीं जाना कहीं पे भी, मेरे को तो कार चेंज करके दो. तो आई थिंक इट इज एक्टिवेटेड, बट हम लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है. हैज दिस हैपेंड विद यू एवर, मधुलिका?
Mm, maybe not in cars because I don't have that sort of vision, but yes, if we see some repeated clothes or some repeated prints on some gathering or maybe in some on roadside or maybe in malls, then we definitely tend to avoid that, to buy that stuff, but because it is very common. No?
मेरे को ये मुझको ये इतनी बार ऐसा, मतलब कार, बिकॉज हमारे घर में कार सबसे ज्यादा जल्दी चेंज होती थी अर्लियर, है ना, तो इसलिए मेरे को इतनी ज्यादा इसके साथ एसोसिएशन हुई है बात के साथ. क्योंकि अब उल्टा हो गया है. अब हम लोग कार तो कोई नहीं खरीद रहे, द ओल्ड द एट दिस टाइम वी हैव फॉर्च्यूनर, एंड फॉर्च्यूनर ही चला रहे हैं. एंड अर्लियर आई नेवर यूज्ड टू लाइक फॉर्च्यूनर, मेरे को हाथ से लगता था हाथी में जा रहे हैं, हाथी से मैं बिठा दिया. एंड आई लव क्रिस्टा बिकॉज आई फेल्ट दैट इट इज सो फेमिनिन एज कंपेयर टू दिस वन. एंड क्या कहते हैं, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इतनी सारी मेरे को फॉर्च्यूनर्स अब दिख जाती है, और लगती है कि अरे हाँ, अब आजकल मेरे को मर्सिडीज बहुत दिख रही है. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग माय हस्बैंड, अब क्या नेक्स्ट मर्सिडीज आने वाली है क्या? आजकल मर्सिडीज के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान जा रहा है. अदरवाइज आई एम नो कार चेकिंग पर्सन. मेरे को कोई भी नहीं मतलब होता कौन सा ब्रांड, कौन सा मेक, क्या ये क्या वो, फॉर सम रीजन बस जो सी खरीदनी होती है उसी पे ध्यान होता है. तो मेरा हस्बैंड से, आप पागल है, चुपचाप बैठ, दिस वन इज गुड. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
In psychology, it is called something. It is, I'm sure it is not the missing tile syndrome. It is called something. It's a psychological term for this. That uh, whatever you think, you get to see that more. That
Yes.
you starting noticing that point
हाँ,
only.
वो
Maybe.
जैसे अगर हम रेड कलर को देखना शुरू करें तो हमारे को, ऑल्दो मैं कहती हूँ मैं रेड कलर पहनती नहीं, आई हैव नो एसोसिएशन विद रेड कलर. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इफ आई थिंक ऑफ लेट मी चेक रेड कलर, तो मेरी स्क्रीन पे यूट्यूब का कलर रेड है, स्टॉप शेयर का रेड कलर है, मेरे टेबल पे छोटी छोटी बुक्स पड़ी हैं उनका रेड है, रजिस्टर के ऊपर रेड है, बुद्धा पड़े हैं, बुद्धा का वो शॉल रेड है, मंदिर के अंदर इतना सारा रेड है. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई स्टार्ट नोटिसिंग. ये एक
Yeah,
एक्टिविटी करवाते भी है ना, एंड देन दे आस्क कि हाउ मेनी येलोज डिड यू फाइंड, एंड वी लाइक, ओ उस पे तो ध्यान ही नहीं गया.
exactly. So this is the same thing with the qualities and disqualities of a person also. Whenever you focus on qualities, you'll get to see only qualities, positive, 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 positive
हम्म.
frame of mind. Then only negatives will pop out. Yeah.
हम्म.
It is just where the attention goes, energy flows.
एनर्जी फ्लोस. सो ट्रू. आगे
So
पढ़ते हैं.
for this, so to stronger that
हम्म.
we one should be strong enough for the opportunities for these things. We must have strong this part what we are reading. I'm sorry,
RAS,
I just lost
RAS, RAS.
RS. Okay, reticular. What is
Reticular activating system.
reticular? Okay,
हाँ.
reticular activating system. Okay, perfect.
ओहो, आगे सुना मैंने. चलो. This shift in mental posture aligns you more precisely with your goals. Once you decide that something is a priority, you give it tremendous emotional intensity, and by continually focusing on it, any resource that supports its attainment will eventually become clear. Therefore, it's not crucial to understand exactly how you will achieve your goals when you first set them. Trust that your RAS will point out what you need to know along the way. बड़े सारे मेंटर्स कहते हैं ना, स्टार्ट तो करो, अगला स्टेप अपने आप दिख जाएगा. यू डोंट नीड टू नो कि मेरे को फुल अचीवमेंट के लिए क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेने हैं. यू टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप, योर RAS विल हेल्प यू टू नो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Climb high, climb far. Your goal, the sky, your aim, the star. Inscription at William College. Climb high, climb far. Your goal, the sky. Your aim, the star. I did not quite get it, but I'll try to sit and understand and reflect on what this is. 8 years ago, in 1983, I did an exercise that created a future so compelling that my whole life changed as a result. As part of the overall process of raising my standards, I established a whole new set of goals, writing down all of the things I would no longer settle for, as well as what I was committed to having in my life. I set aside all my limiting beliefs and sat down on the beach with a journal. I wrote continuously for 3 hours, brainstorming every possibility of what I could ever imagine doing, being, having, creating, experiencing, or contributing. The timeline I gave myself for achieving these goals was any time from tomorrow to the next 20 years. I never stopped to think whether I would actually achieve these goals or not. I simply captured any possibility that inspired me and wrote it down. From that beginning, I refined the process 6 months later when I was invited along with a group of parapsychologists to the USSR to study psychic phenomena directly from the university experts. Throughout Russia. As my group traveled the country, I spent many hours on the train from Moscow to Siberia and back to Leningrad. With nothing to write on but the back of my old Russian map, I wrote down all my long-term goals for my spiritual, mental, emotional, physical, and financial destinies, and then created a series of milestones for each one, working backward. For example, in order to achieve my top spiritual goal 10 years from now, what kind of person would I have to be? What things would I need to accomplish by 9 years from now, 8 years, 7 years, and so on, reaching all the way back until today? What specific action could I take today that would lead me on the road to the destiny of my choice? I have heard multiple mentors talking about this. Do the backward goal setting. Backward goal setting का मतलब है कि आपको एंड गोल क्या करना है और कितने टाइम में अचीव करना है. उसके हिसाब से every year what do you need to do for according to the year's goal, what is it that you need to do every month? According to the every month, what do you need to do every single week? And from every single week, you need to understand what do you need to do every single day so that you can achieve your weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, bi-yearly goals. And that makes the process so much simpler, so much easier. Because जब हमारे को पता चल जाता है ना कि यही ट्रैक करना है मेरे को, हाँ, in on the way you might fumble, you might stumble, but then when you have a roadmap, it is so much easier to pick up from there and start. On that day, I set specific goals that transformed my life. I described the woman of my dreams, detailing what she would be like mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually. I described what my kids would be like, the huge income that I would enjoy, and the home that I would live in, including the 3-story circular office area that would overlook the ocean. A year and a half later, Life magazines was in my home, interviewing me as to how I had made such incredible shifts in my life. Then I pulled out my map to show them all the goals I had written down. It was amazing to see how many I had achieved. I had met the woman I described and married her. I had found and purchased the home I had envisioned, down to the finest details, including the third story office in the turret of the castle, overlooking the sea. When I wrote them down initially, I had no assurance whatsoever that these goals could be achieved, but I had been willing to suspend judgment for a short period of time in order to make it work. This is so beautiful. जो हम कहते हैं मैनिफेस्टेशंस हो जाती हैं, व्हाट आर दे? जब आप लिखोगे, जब एक्चुअली सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमारे को तो पता ही नहीं है हमारा गोल क्या है। जब हमारे को अपना गोल पता होगा तो हमारे को पता होगा कि हाँ शायद ये करना है इसके लिए। जब शायद ये पता होगा, आप स्टेप्स लेना शुरू करोगे, 1 डे 2 डे 1 वीक के एंड पे जो आपका एम था अचीव करने का वो नहीं हुआ, यू नीड टू मेक सम ट्वीक्स, यू मेक सम ट्वीक्स एंड यू अकम्प्लिश इट in the next week and you reach those goals. But if you do not know the destination, you will never reach anywhere. You will keep going. And most of us, why do we not achieve our goals? Because हमारे को end goal ही नहीं पता. We are doing what we are wanting to do, what we are loving to do, and hence we are just swirling, spiral में घूम रहे हैं, चलो ringa roses, and we are not reaching anywhere. And if we really want to reach somewhere, we must write these goals. As we move forward in this chapter, I would actually love during the session to do these activities, whatever Tony Robbins has shared with us in the upcoming thing. Because the first step that he's talking about is maybe writing the goal itself. The goal अचीव क्या करना है. वन ऑफ माई मेंटर्स इन 2024, जो ईयर की बिगनिंग पे मैं वो होते हैं टास्क देते हैं, शी गेव अस टू राइट 100 गोल्स. छोटा हो बड़ा हो जैसा मर्जी हो, जो मर्जी हो. मुझको अगर आई डोंट नो मैरिट में बैठ के कॉफी पी के आनी है, मेरे को मैरिट में जाके स्टे करके आना है, मेरे को लीला में जाके ये करना है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, वट एवर मन है वो लिखो. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ 100 and then you will know कि हाँ towards the end of the year you have actually accomplished. Start writing, jotting down what your wins are, and on the way don't forget कि हाँ जो actual goal है वो उसकी तरफ आप जा भी रहे हो कि कहीं और ही चल पड़े हो, right? Madhurika, would you like to share anything on this?
Karishma, I'm outside, lot of disturbance, so I think I'll skip this time.
Okay, no worries. Chalo, we will pause this session here itself because from tomorrow we will be taking the first step. Okay, na? And let's do it. Let's do it genuinely, अच्छे से, strongly. Maybe we will actually be and reach somewhere. But before we go from here, before we go from here, there are a few things that I want us to, reiterate. RAS क्या है? हमारा इंटरनल फिल्टर है. वो डिसाइड करता है व्हाट वी नोटिस एंड व्हाट वी इग्नोर. इस चीज के ऊपर हमारे को ये एट ऑल टाइम्स याद रखना है, सो दैट हमारे को पता चल जाएगा बहुत अच्छे से कि हमारा फोकस है ही कहाँ. जो चीज ज्यादा नोटिस में आ रही है वही हमारा फोकस एरिया. एंड इफ यू वांट टू शिफ्ट इट, वी नीड टू मेक चॉइसेस बेटर देन व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग राइट. ठीक है. एंड आई वुड लव फॉर यू टू रिफ्लेक्ट what is one specific goal that you want your RAS to tap into, to lock into? And how can you start conditioning your mind to focus on it daily? I don't know what is it for you, whether it is that you're working on your career, on your relationships, on your finances, on your wealth generation, on your kids. I don't know what. Jo bhi hai. Sit with yourself today, tonight, and think on this. What is that one specific goal जो आप अपने RAS को उसकी तरफ डायरेक्ट करना चाहते? Also, keep this thought as as a thought of the day, you can say. कि energy flows where attention goes. है ना? And हमारा जो RAS है will find what we consciously focus on. वही आपको रेड कार वाली बताई थी ना, मतलब कार कह लो, रेड कलर कह लो, जो भी कह लो. When you look out for whatever color, you find it more rather than any other color. So for 24 hours, just notice whether you are thinking, whether you are getting any clues, anything, any opportunities around any ideas around what you are aiming to achieve. ठीक है जी. This is what I wanted to share with you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining in, Madhulika, while you were traveling. And it means a lot. And take good care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.